Introduction: redefining the smartwatch experience for athletes. In the competitive world of fitness wearables, the Garmin Forerunner 975 has emerged as a true powerhouse for professional athletes, runners, triathletes, and tech enthusiasts. Packed with next-gen features, this GPS-enabled smartwatch isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's a significant leap forward in design, technology, and real-world usability. Whether you're chasing your next marathon PR, navigating remote trails, or analyzing VO2 max stats, the Forerunner 975 is engineered to keep pace. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into the Forerunner 975's standout capabilities, explore its sport-specific benefits, assess its battery performance, analyze its health tracking accuracy, and compare it with competitors like the Fenix 7, Apple Watch Ultra, and Coro's Apex 2 Pro. Let's see if this is the fitness smartwatch worth your investment in 2024. 1. Garmin Forerunner 975, sleek, rugged, and built for the long run. Garmin has always excelled in building wearables that blend aesthetics with durability. The Forerunner 975 carries forward this legacy with a lightweight but rugged design that's perfect for long training sessions and race days. Weighing just under 50 grams, it maintains a slim profile on the wrist, yet boasts a reinforced fiber polymer case and Gorilla Glass DX display that withstand harsh weather, sweat, and accidental impacts. The bright AMOLED display offers crisp visibility in direct sunlight, and customizable watch faces via Garmin's Connect IQ store make personalization effortless. Whether you're on a bike trail or deep into a triathlon, the watch fits comfortably and stays secure. 2. Sports modes and multisport tracking. More than just running. Where the Garmin Forerunner 975 truly shines is in its advanced multisport tracking. Built with a wide range of sport profiles, from trail running, cycling, open water swimming, rowing, and skiing to strength training, yoga, and HIIT workouts. This watch is a serious tool for versatile athletes. Multisport athletes will appreciate seamless activity transitions, especially for triathlon training. Automatic sport switching ensures no need to fiddle with settings mid-competition. It's built for those who train hard across disciplines and need reliable, real-time data. 3. Garmin Forerunner 975 versus Fenix 7. Feature-by-feature showdown. While the Garmin Fenix series often steals the spotlight, the Forerunner 975 gives it stiff competition. Both watches support detail metrics, offline maps, and full GNSS support. However, the 975 is lighter, more affordable, and tailored more toward runners and triathletes. The Fenix 7, with its more premium build and solar charging, caters to ultramarathoners and expedition athletes. If weight, cost, and focused performance matter more to you than rugged outdoor design, the Forerunner 975 is a smarter pick. 4. Elevating health and wellness. All-day monitoring tools. Health tracking is another area where the Forerunner 975 excels. The watch uses Garmin's Elevate V4 optical sensor to deliver real-time insights into heart rate monitoring, 24/7, heart rate variability, HRV, status, pulse ox, SpO2, tracking for altitude adaptation, advanced sleep stages, light, deep REM, menstrual, and pregnancy tracking, stress monitoring, and guided breathing, hydration logging. These features aren't just numbers, they're actionable insights. Sleep scores, combined with recovery suggestions, let you optimize your daily workouts. The HRV-based training readiness score is especially helpful for athletes needing to balance performance with recovery. 5. Garmin Training Readiness Score. Know when to push or rest. Introduced in newer Garmin models, the training readiness feature offers personalized scores based on several key metrics: sleep quality, stress, HRV, recovery time, and recent training load. This system is invaluable for serious athletes who want to prevent overtraining. Your score updates daily, so you know when to ramp up intensity or when a recovery session is smarter. It's like having a built-in coach on your wrist that adapts to your physiological condition. 6. Advanced running metrics for performance-oriented runners. Garmin has established itself as the gold standard for running analytics. The Forerunner 975 takes this further with cutting-edge metrics. Cadence, ground contact time, vertical oscillation, stride length, pace, and elevation gain. When paired with accessories like the Garmin HRM Pro Plus or Running Dynamics Pod, the data becomes even richer. These biomechanics metrics can be analyzed in the Garmin Connect app, helping runners fine-tune their form to improve performance and reduce injury risk. 7. GPS, GNSS, and SAT-IQ. Precision navigation anywhere. The Forerunner 975 comes with multi-band GPS support and SAT-IQ, Garmin's intelligent satellite optimization. This allows automatic switching between GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo systems for maximum accuracy and battery efficiency. Runners and cyclists who train in urban canyons, forests, or mountainous areas will appreciate the pinpoint accuracy and faster satellite acquisition times. No more worrying about GPS dropouts mid-run. 8. Navigation and maps. Trailblazers welcome. Offline topographic maps, breadcrumb navigation, and turn-by-turn directions make the 975 an essential companion for outdoor adventurers. The altimeter, barometer, and compass ABC sensors provide altitude awareness and storm alerts in remote regions. If you love trail running, mountain biking, or alpine hiking, this feature alone could justify upgrading from older Garmin models. 9. Music and smartwatch features. Leave your phone behind. Music lovers and minimalist runners will enjoy onboard music storage, up to 2,000 songs, plus seamless integration with Spotify, Amazon Music, and Deezer. Simply pair Bluetooth headphones and go. The Forerunner 975 also supports smart notifications, calls, messages, app alerts, calendar syncing, Garmin Pay for contactless transactions, safety and incident detection with real-time location sharing. 10. Battery life. Outlast the competition. One of Garmin's strongest selling points is battery life, and the 975 doesn't disappoint. Smartwatch mode, up to 20 days. GPS only, up to 42 hours. All systems GNSS plus multiband, up to 20 hours. Ultra track mode, up to 80 hours. Price and value. Premium tech at a competitive price. While the Garmin Forerunner 975 falls into the premium category, it delivers exceptional value considering its feature set. With a recent price drop making headlines in the fitness community, it's now more accessible than ever. Compared to the Fenix 7 or Apple Watch Ultra, you're getting comparable performance, more battery life, lighter build, enhanced running and training analytics. Who should buy the Garmin Forerunner 975? Runners and triathletes. Precision metrics and multisport features. Endurance athletes. Long battery life and advanced recovery tracking. Fitness enthusiasts. All-day health monitoring and Garmin Coach. Adventure seekers. Offline navigation, ABC sensors, and robust safety tools. Upgraders. Huge leap from older Forerunner models like 735 XT, 945, or basic fitness bands. Conclusion. Garmin Forerunner 975 is the smartwatch athletes deserve in 2024. Whether you're chasing performance, improving your health, or pushing personal limits, the Garmin Forerunner 975 is more than just a smartwatch. It's your training partner, health coach, and safety net rolled into one. It checks every box: durability, accuracy, versatility, and longevity.